Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions, match character that occur 0 or more times. The last challenge, use the plus sign to look for characters that occur 1 or more times. There is also an option that matches characters that occur 0 or more times. The character to do this is the asterisk or a star. Here is an example where we have four variables soccer word and it contains a string goal, and likewise we have g phrase and o phrase, and our regular expression is stored in gorec x. So when we apply the match method on soccer word variable by passing the gorec x as argument, we will get the return of go with many o's. In the same way, when we use on G phrase, the match method gives the result of only G because we have G of gut, but afterward we find U, which is not similar same as O. And in the case of O phrase, there is no word starting with G or O. G O. So we get the return of null. So what is the task for this challenge? For this challenge, Civic code has been initialized as arg behind the scenes. So no code for us. Create a regex, Civic regex that use the asterisk character to match an uppercase A character immediately followed by 0 or more lowercase a character in Civic code. Your regex does not need flags or character classes, and it should not match any of the other codes. So in this case, we have to simply A for capital uppercase and small a for lowercase and asterisk for for more than 0 or 0 or more times. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.